was interrupted by the hotel management. All right, now we're going back into the alcohol inks class. Oh, she got the jams going. They're all around the perimeter because they need outlets for blow dryers. So let's go take a peek. Why? I'm making you a star. Oh, stop. No, it isn't. Maybe to you, but you know, other people see different things. Use a thinner straw, maybe. Try a thinner straw. It concentrates the air. Hey, y'all. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. And two favorite pieces of mine. This one is Bubbly and Blue. Bubbly and Blue. Absolutely stunning. And you can see it's tall. It's the whole back of the chair. And then my other all-time favorite, which is also for sale, Does this one have a name, Caroline?
It does have a name. That one's called You Are Loved More Than You'll Ever Know.
You're loved more than you'll ever know. And that's something she knows what it means.
That is for a friend that struggles with infertility.
Oh.
So I brought it here just to show it off. That was a gift I made for her.
Oh, that's definitely a showpiece. A showpiece. Sorry about that. That's beautiful. All right, let's see what y'all are doing here. Beautiful. You don't know.
We're having fun.
That's all that matters then, isn't it?
It is.
Is it dry or is it wet?
I think it's dry.
You can roll with your finger rather than your fingernail. Oh. Little paper towel. This rolls off like that glue you used to use in kids when we'd put them on our hands and then roll it off later. Yeah, exactly. The rubber cement. Oh, that's vibrant.
Yes.
You're loving those vibrant colors.
Yes. I think that's it. I'm going to peel the stuff off. Hopefully it looks
And he's got some masking under there. How did you do? That's gorgeous. Terrible. Why isn't that not terrible?
Doesn't look like I'm vision.
Oh no, it's beautiful. It's abstract art. And then just wait until you roll off that masking. It's going to be beautiful. All right, my troublemaking table over here.
We've all titled our pieces.
Already?
Yeah. Like, I don't know what the F I'm doing is my piece.
Oh.
What's your title again? You guys have great titles for yours? What the hell was I thinking? And hers is This Sucks. This is an LSD trip. Yeah.
Oh.
That's the best because I'm obviously wearing this tie-dye.
All right. Well, tie-dye here is on an LSD trip right here. Flower power, babe.
That's right. Rock and roll, sister.
It's beautiful.
It's fun.
It is fun. And if you were to embellish that later,
Yes.
oh yeah, black markers, whatever. Oh,
What's embellishing? Like when she draws the lines on there with that black or white marker.
she's doing that right now. She wants to get part of it done to show you guys. But you embellish it. You might think
I'm so sorry.
you don't know what the F you're doing, but by the time you embellish it, it'll be a showstopper.
Yeah, well, that's yeah.
Yeah, we heard that one was that sus.
Yeah.
That doesn't sus.
No, I tried to put color on these. It wasn't my best idea.
Well, you can take it off with alcohol and a fine point with a
Like a
Q-tip.
paintbrush or
Q-tip.
Cool. Good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
Uh-huh. And then we have What the Hell Was I Thinking?
So we get them nice nice.
You did.
This is actually pretty cool because now I'm shaking it back.
That's right.
So I'm gonna take it.
All right. Good morning, Dar. Okay, I have a quick comment that jumped onto Facebook Live, if you guys want to hear it. It said, good morning again. You have shared beautiful artwork. Thank you. We give you a big shout out to all of the instructors and students and you all for hosting this event. The crafting artistic design community is filled with good souls who care to share their talents to promote these crafts. These are beautiful, all of them. Yep.
All right, like smiley face.
They love it. Loving it. Thank you, Dar. All right. I'm going to go pop up. There she was embellished. Look at that. How simple and gorgeous.
I just realized I forgot a line right there.
Well, you'll get it. Beautiful. And do you need me? Okay. We're heading on over to wrap up Kim's Dutch pour technique. We'll go see what we got there. How are you? Good.
did not overwork it. You did it beautifully.
Don't catch the disease, can't leave it the hell alone syndrome.
I had to put it over on a different table.
Yeah,
because,
it's what she gets.
Because you were feeling the symptoms?
yeah. I gotta stop.
Did you finally get one that you're happy with?
Oh, you did that? Have you ever done a Dutch?
Yes, but I wanted to.
Oh! Let's go see. Let's go see what you learned.
Yeah.
You learned to slow down. That's what you did.
Well, I learned how to handle this too.
A blow dryer.
Without, you know, I'm handling it. It's not handling me.
Well, there you go. You mastered that. Oh, that is
I love
beautiful.
those colors.
That's incredible.
She's never had one turn out before,
I
so
haven't.
Yeah, you did.
Well,
today.
that's right.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You want to do one more?
Yeah.
See what she's doing real quick.
Those golds in there.
Oh, yeah. That'll make it pop. Ooh, look at that.
You just hang tight. Now's a good time to go potty or grab a cup of coffee or something if you want.
Oh, I'm good. Yeah, we'll see what that does.
Beautiful. Are you having a good time?
Oh, yeah.
And she came all the way from Oregon. Yes, so who do you think is going to be in Seattle? Indeed. And actually, I will introduce you to one of our new instructors. This is Margot Harper, and she will be one of our Seattle instructors.
Right on. Be there.
That's right.
Planning on it. Planning on it.
Beautiful. You should be happy.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I came from Kansas, so I had to learn.
Kansas, see? We have a lot of out-of-towners, which I'm loving.
Yes.
And
open up
and
the airport
and here's
again.
the international in Pouring Artists International. She's from Canada.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va? How are you?
Oh, that is beautiful. You like it?
Yeah.
You like this technique?
Yes.
Love it.
I love it.
It is gorgeous.
It's practice.
It is.
Practice.
It is.
And it is slowing down. It really is taking that time. It's not.
No rush. What's the rush?
Exactly.
It's fluid,
It takes
know?
a long time to dry, so
right?
you know. Why
So
rush it?
take a long time to create it.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Oh, look, she's already starting a new one.
On the next.
I don't do Instagram.
Now, Dar is online with us live, and she
Do demonstrations on Instagram? No, you just.
she made a comment on live, and I just want to read it to you guys. She said, "Good morning again. You have shared beautiful artwork. Thank you. We give you a big shout out to all the instructors and students, and you all for hosting this event. The crafting artistic design community is filled with good souls who care to share their talents to promote the crafts. These are beautiful, all of them." This was Dar Smith, who's right now live with us.
yay.
We do appreciate it.
Yes, we do, and we're so excited. All right, that's it for now. We'll check in later.